guys, in the vlogs na. Basa na sa data. The planet Earth is the only planet in the universe where life is possible. It is part of the solar system. It is layered with soil, rocks, water, and air. Earth has moved around the sun a billion times. From the time its accident, the Earth continuously experiences various phenomena like earthquakes, volcano eruptions, and typhoons. These phenomena constantly change the Earth and affect the lives of organs that live in it. In this unit, you will learn about this phenomena, and as a result, you will be able to prepare and act in this unit. You will learn about this phenomena, and as a result, you will be able to prepare the acts accordingly, and there's a direction like earthquake or typhoon strikes. Bye-bye. Thank you for watching. I love you all. Mwah.